3 foods that will stop a cough in seconds. Number 1, cloves. These tiny but mighty spices have potent antimicrobial properties. Chewing on a whole clove or adding ground cloves to your tea can provide almost immediate relief. Number 2, honey. This natural sweetener coats your throat, easing irritation and suppressing coughs. Just a spoonful of honey can bring quick comfort. Number 3, ginger. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can calm your cough reflex in no time. You can chew on a fresh slice or sip on ginger tea for rapid results. For the ultimate cough remedy, combine all 3 ingredients in warm water. This powerful mix will have you breathing easy in no time.
Subscribe to my free ebook for a healthier life. Link in bio.